Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing very well, especially during these times. I know most of us are quarantined in our homes, and I just wanted to take just a few seconds to just wish everyone health and love. I know that's what we need right now. So yeah, I just want to wish everyone is doing great, that everyone is safe, that everyone is healthy, that everyone has what they need. And I am praying that all of this goes away soon. I know it's been a minute since I have filmed the video, but I went ahead and I quickly, well, not quickly because it took me forever, but I went ahead and I filmed this little cute spring makeup look. Where am I going? Nowhere. I'm home, just like the rest of y'all. But if you're interested in learning how to do this makeup look, then just keep on watching. I always start with my eyebrows. I don't know, that's how I like to do it. I kind of go from like my eyes to, I do all my eyes and then I do my face. That's how I do it. Some people do it differently, but that's how I like to do it. So let's bring you guys a little closer. Girl, look at this other eye. Ay, Dios mío. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Alrighty, so what I do now is I go ahead and I set my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It looks like this. Here we go, eyebrows are done. Voila! So I really haven't decided what I want to do for my face. I don't want to do nothing too crazy because I'm only gonna be in my house. Hello. But I kind of want to go for like a little brownish vibes. I don't know. Let's see what I do. But I'm going to be using my Morphe and James Charles mini palette. This is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and show you guys. It's a beautiful palette. Nothing too crazy. Just a little brown. Maybe like a nice little bronzy glitter. Let me see what this color looks like. Okay. Funny, the color's called Punch Me. That's what it looked like. I went to my eyes. Somebody punched her. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a wing, and yeah. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a makeup wipe. I have the simple wipes, and I'm just gonna take it and just clean my under eye section because there was some fallout. So I'm gonna take some primer. And this time I'm using the Master Prime by Maybelline. This is the primer 300. It's her Blur and Redness Control Pigment. It's the green one. I have to go with my beauty blender. And today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. This is a radiant finish, normal to dry skin, is hydrating. So I got it mostly because of the hydration. Apply it directly to my, this is the Sigma beauty blender. I just apply it directly in bits, and then I begin just dabbing. But this is what it looks like. I really like it. As you can see, the shininess is very hydrating, especially in the winter. My face gets extremely dry. I don't know about y'all, but my face gets dumb dry. So I try to hydrate it as much as I can whenever I can. So now that we did the foundation, the next thing that I do is the concealer, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the color Natural Beige. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock Translucent Setting Powder. My eye makeup looks damn good. I forgot to put on my lashes. Jesus Christ. So this is the Wet n Wild color Icon bronzer in the color What Shady Beaches. It looks like this. It's a beautiful bronze color. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. bronzing. This is my favorite little brush. This is my first time using this bronzer. Hopefully I like it. Let's see. Okay, you see how the difference? I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and just sweep any setting powder I may have. You see how it gives me that bronzy look without going to the beach? Right? What shady beaches? Hello. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara. This is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift, and the Black is Black. Pencil brush Morphe M431, and I'm gonna go back into the palette, and I'm going to go into that what color is this? Tea. which is that really dark brown right here, and I'm gonna put that under my waterline. I'm also gonna take that gold that I put on my on the top. I'm gonna take some of that and I'm gonna put it right here. I keep saying under my eye, my lower lash. This is the Milani Baked Blush in the color Bella Bellini 12. And this is such a great dupe for the NARS Laguna. Woo! And it's way cheaper, so I'm just gonna take my Morphe M435 brush, which is a blush brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some. Of course, my battery died, but I was telling you guys I'm gonna put on the Maybelline Superstay Matte in color in Inspire 125. Is a beautiful pink color. I was gonna do like a nude brownish, but I'm like, no, my eyes are already like bronzy. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on some highlighter. I'm gonna use my girl Nicole Guerrero's Anastasia highlighting palette. This just came back out. That sold out in a heartbeat when it first came out. I forgot when, like 2-3 years ago, I don't remember, but it's out now. And I'm going to use the color, I'm gonna mix Glow Getter and Kitty Cat. So this is Glow Getter and this is Kitty Cat. So I mean, hello, look at this. Look at that Cupid's bow. Look at that. Those inner corners. Look at my mustache. Yo, I threaded my mustache one time. Never again. Never again, said I. I think we're done. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab some of my beauty blender. I kind of just dab it just to kind of like, you know, push in the product. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the Maybelline Lasting Fix makeup setting spray. It's a matte finish. It lasts up to 16 hours. I'm gonna take this before I go to bed. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shake, and then I'm just gonna spray. This looks good.